Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Facebook memories not working or how to fix Facebook memory not showing problem. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply log out from your Facebook account. So open Facebook app, then click on your profile icon and then click on logout. You can see at the bottom logout option is available. Simply click on logout and then log in back and check if the Facebook memory is showing or not. Next solution is to clear cache and clear data of Facebook app. So simply tap and hold this Facebook app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it. Please take a note, delete app data includes app data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So perform this action very carefully. And then you can check Facebook memory is showing or not. Next solution is to update Facebook app. So open Play Store, tap on search for Facebook and tap on it. And then if you see any update available for your Facebook app, then kindly update it. And after updating your app, then you can launch Facebook and check if your Facebook memory is working or not, or your Facebook memory is not showing problem has been solved or not. Next alternative solution is you can also try Facebook Lite app. So open Play Store, tap on search for Facebook Lite and tap on it. And then you can install Facebook Lite app, log into your account and then check your Facebook memory is working or not. Next solution is to try the older version of Facebook app. So first of all, you have to uninstall the original Facebook app from your phone. So tap and hold Facebook app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm. And then open Google Chrome and in Google Chrome search for Facebook Up to Down, then open the Up to Down website and then download the older version. So click on older version, scroll down and download the not much older, just October 27. So click on the October 27 APK file, scroll down, then click on download and then install the older version of Facebook app from here by tapping it once it get downloaded. And then you can launch Facebook app, log into your account and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then try to reinstall Facebook app. So tap and hold Facebook app icon, then click on uninstall, then again click on uninstall, then open Play Store, tap on search for Facebook app and then click on install to reinstall it. And then you can launch Facebook app and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to solve Facebook memory is not showing problem or Facebook memory is not working problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.